These are a series of the panels of glass, which are kind of like stained glass, but at the same time they're architectural. The glass actually probably is molten or some acrylic is on it. I'm not sure exactly. I have to examine it. We bought it from a local shop, and I just want to see how they look now. This is for putting beside a window or somewhere that there is a light in the background and you can look through it from the other side, and they're just decorative items. Let's just see how they look like. Okay, these are these items. I'm going now to open from the big one. Okay, let's just reveal. Oh, this is a mixture of media, different medium, some plastic, glass, paint. Beautiful. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. Now let's open this one. And this is this one. Look at it. Hills, rolling hills, a little pond, some trees, sheep, lamb, a tree, probably apple. These all the spring colors. As you can see here, there are blossoms on the trees. And is a dry stone wall. And the width of it, I can say, is around, 10 inch, 25 centimeter. And it's curved, so it stands on its own on the windowsill. Beautiful. Now is the turn for this one. Let's open it. And it is this. Next one is this. Yeah, this is the next one, which is in a way similar to the other one. This one. Now let's open this one, which is the ultimate. Let's see how it looks, this one. Yeah, this one. The artist now is doing more flowers than scenery, so these are the earlier versions of her work, and these are the later works, more flowery and floral.